Hi, Tim Meester with Silk Plant Magic here. What we're going to do today is demonstrate how to clean silk plants. For those of you not familiar with Silk Plant Magic, as the name implies, it's for cleaning silk plants. All you do is you spray it on. There's no rinsing, no scrubbing, no dusting. Makes them look like brand new. Keeps them looking that way for about 4 to 6 months. We also, just to let you know, we do have our other products here, Wicker Magic and Screen Magic. Screen Magic is for cleaning your window screens, and Wicker Magic is for cleaning any wicker patio furniture, wicker baskets, anything with wicker. All right, so we have the 32-ounce trigger sprayer, and what we want to do though is, if you have a lot of silk plants, we recommend you have one of these yard hand pump sprayers. It just makes it a lot easier. All you do, take your silk plants outside, and that's it. That's done. Cleans all different types of silk plants. Ones with flowers, ones without flowers. And we have some bigger ones here. And all you want to do is just really, you want to saturate, just spray it on. It's going to show up a little bit white at first, kind of a milky color on it. As it dries though, it dries clear. It also works on your fake evergreen trees as well. There you go. And also it works on the ficus trees. Those a little bit harder to do because they're kind of tall, take a little bit more time. For those, we really recommend the hand pump sprayer there. But that's it. All you got to do is hold it back about 12 to 14 inches, spray it on, and that's it. You're done. Thank you for your time.